Ready to show off those clutch plays instantly on Discord? Let's get your awesome gaming moments shared in seconds. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have Nvidia GeForce Experience installed and updated on your computer. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't have it, head over to the Nvidia website and grab the latest version. Open GeForce Experience and make sure you're logged in, then click on the settings cogwheel icon, usually located on the top right of the screen. In the settings menu, find the video tab. This is where we'll fine-tune our instant replay settings. Within the video tab, you'll see instant replay options. Make sure instant replay is toggled on and that it's active. Adjust the duration of the highlights. Here you can choose how long you want the clips to be. This determines the length of the replay you'll capture. Now that your instant replay is set up, hop into your favorite game. When something epic happens, all you have to do is use your hotkey combination, which is usually Alt F10, to save the last few minutes of gameplay. After saving the clip, open the Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay. Typically by pressing Alt Z in the overlay, you'll find options to view and edit your recently saved clips directly from the comfort of your game. Click on the gallery section in the overlay. Here is where you'll see all your recorded videos, including your awesome instant replay highlights, and you'll have several sharing options. Select the video you want to share and click the share icon. From here, you should be able to copy the video's link and paste it directly into your Discord server. Now everyone can see your gaming prowess. Paste the video link into your Discord chat and send it. Congratulations! You did it. You successfully shared your epic gaming moments directly on Discord using Nvidia's instant replay feature. Be sure you like and subscribe for more amazing gaming tutorials.